Γεια σας, είμαι η Κωνσταντίνα με το LearnGreekViaTalking και σήμερα θα σας πω τι σημαίνει στην ελληνική αργό μην το κάνεις θέμα. Μην το κάνεις θέμα. It's a phrase that we use whenever we want to say don't make an issue out of this. In Greek we're saying more or less the same thing. Mean means don't. Το κάνεις means do it. Θέμα is the issue. So, let's have a look at some examples. Τον πήρα πάλι τηλέφωνο και δεν το σήκωσε. I called him again and he didn't pick up. Καλά, μην το κάνεις θέμα. Okay, don't make an issue out of it. And θα φτιάξεις τη βρύση ή θα καλέσω υδραυλικό? Are you going to fix the water tap or am I going to call a plumber? Καλά, μην το κάνεις θέμα. Okay, don't make an issue out of it. So, if you want to practice more with this phrase, feel free to do so in the comments below and I will happily assist. Otherwise, if you're interested in one-to-one classes, let me know because my teaching method can really boost your speaking skill even if you are on level 0 and it is as fun and effective as these videos. I'll see you in the next one then.